In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot to track leads. Start on your HubSpot home dashboard, then open the CRM and go to Contacts. We'll create a new contact so you can track a lead from the very first touch. Creating a contact centralizes everything about that person: details, emails, calls, and page views, so your team has one accurate record, clean reporting, and a foundation for automation later. Click Add Contact, then Create New. Enter the lead's email address first. In HubSpot, email acts as the unique identifier, so it prevents duplicate records and helps automatically pull in company details when available. Next, add their first name, last name, and job title. These basics power personalization, list building, and handoffs to sales, so keep them consistent with your naming standards. Choose a lifecycle stage. Lifecycle stages define where someone sits in your funnel and fuel dashboards, conversion rates, and automation rules. For a brand new person you're qualifying, select Lead. Marking the correct stage from the start keeps your pipeline clean and avoids inflating marketing or sales metrics. Set the lead status to New. This shows the record hasn't been worked yet, which helps with queue management, SLAs, and follow-up cadences. As your outreach progresses, you can move it to statuses like In Progress or Qualified, but starting with New keeps your team aligned on what needs attention. Add the industry. Industry improves segmentation, ideal customer profile analysis, and tailored messaging. It also sharpens forecasting when you compare win rates by vertical. When those fields look good, click Create to save the contact. Now open the Deals section on this contact. Deals track the potential revenue connected to this person and give you stage-based visibility, weighted forecasts, and next steps. Click Add Deal, then Create New. Give the deal a clear, descriptive name, and keep the pipeline and deal stage as they are for this example, using your default pipeline's initial stage. Enter the amount and set an expected close date. These two fields are key for forecasting and prioritization. Set deal type to new business to distinguish net new revenue from renewals or expansions. This matters for attribution and capacity planning. Choose a priority of high here to signal urgency to your team. Associate the deal with the correct contact and the related company if applicable. Proper associations tie emails, meetings, and notes to the same thread, producing accurate timelines and roll-up reporting across records. Finally, click Create. You've now captured the lead and linked it to a measurable opportunity. If this was helpful, subscribe for more.